Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Binance to Phantom Wallet, step by step. So, let's get started. Open the Phantom Wallet on your device and tap on the Receive option on the homepage. Select Bitcoin from here. Once selected, tap the Copy button to copy your wallet address. Now that we have the wallet address, let's move to Binance. Open your Binance app and go to the Assets section at the bottom right. Select Spot Wallet on the top. Since we're withdrawing from here, tap on Withdraw. And now choose the cryptocurrency you want to send. Use the search bar to find BTC, then click on it. Then select Send via Crypto Network. Paste the Phantom Wallet address you copied earlier. Binance will automatically select the correct Bitcoin network, so make sure it matches. Enter the amount of crypto you want to send and double-check everything. Choosing the wrong network can result in losing your funds permanently. Once you've verified all the details, tap Withdraw at the bottom right. Complete any required security verification, such as an email or 2FA code, and confirm the transaction. Your crypto will be sent to your Phantom Wallet within a few minutes, depending on network speed. And that's how you send Bitcoin from Binance to Phantom Wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more crypto guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.